Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my left here, you're looking at one of our brand new styles. It's going to be a 4 glass door refrigerator, commercial refrigerator. Okay, so you got your 4 glass doors. Brand on this unit is our own company brand, Cooler Depot. Locate the sticker brand on the very right. Also on the front we have our controls. Okay, we have our temperature control system followed by your power switch and your light switch. Okay, so you do have LED lighting on both the sides of the inside of this unit. Okay, also on your doors we have locks, so you will be provided with keys. Okay, so you can go ahead and lock those doors as well. Okay, before we get started on more, I do want to go ahead and measure this unit for you, give you the exterior measurements as well as the interior measurements. For your length, you're looking at a total of 92.5 inches of the length, 92.5. For your depth, you're looking at a total of 28.5. And the overall height from the bottom, very top, you're looking at a total of about 80 inches high. Okay, so it's going to be 80 inches high for this unit. Okay, now the unit does have wheels, casters on the bottom already installed, so it makes it easier for you to use it or move it around if you need to in your business. Okay, now let's go ahead and open up this unit, show you the inside. As I mentioned, you have LED lighting located on both sides of this unit. Okay, you also have shelves that will be provided for you, included with this unit, 4 on each door. Okay, so you got 4, a total of 16. So 4 on each section, you have a total of 16 shelves for this unit. Now, inside measurements, I want to go ahead and start off with the length. Inside length, you're looking at 89 inches, 89. Front to back, you're looking at measurement of about 21.5. And the overall height, you're looking at a total of about 51 inches. Okay, so 51 on the inside. Now, for these shelves, you can adjust them to whatever level you want them to be at. Okay. And your fans are located on the very top as well. You have 3 fans for cooling on this unit. Now, if you follow me over to the back, we'll show you the back of this unit where you can locate your plug. The plug's located on the very bottom, standard US plug. Also located on the back is your compressor for this unit. Okay. And if you follow me back to the front over here, I want to go ahead and show you the inside once again. Just mentioned to you that you will be provided with an instruction manual, so if you have any questions or don't know how to use the unit, all the information is going to be on that booklet, as well as for your temperature control. And on the inside, we have a sticker with all the specs regarding this unit, including your model, voltage, circuit diagram, certification. The unit is certified by the health department, and your certification is located on that sticker inside that unit. Okay, so this is going to be one of our brand new styles, 4 glass door unit. If you're interested in one of these refrigerators, you can go on our website, coolerdepotusa.com. You can make a purchase on the website. All the information is going to be updated on the website, including the price for this exact unit. Now, if you have any other questions regarding this unit, you can also give us a call and we can help you guys out with those questions. Thank you for watching.